very important to keep your email account secured, especially if you use it for online transactions or for official purposes. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your Google account. In addition to your username and password, you will enter a code that Google will send you via text or voice message upon signing in. So without wasting much time, let's start with the action part. So just open your browser. I have my browser open already. Then you sign in with your Gmail account. So when you sign in, this is the dashboard you're going to see. Just move your cursor to this part and then hover on the Google apps. Click on it and then click on account. So when you click on it, a dashboard will be opened. Just look at your left side of the dashboard and then you will see security. Click on the security button and then scroll down to sign in into Google. Here you see we have two-step verification button here. Just click on it and then you can just read through. I've already mentioned all of this in my intro, so you can just read through. So from here you click on get started button and then you will be asked to input your password. So let me input my password. So after inputting your password, this is what you're going to see. So you just input your telephone number here. You input your telephone number here and then you see how do you want to get this codes. So you see that you select text message or you select phone call. I prefer using text message. So you click on the next button and from here you get this screen saying confirm that it works. Google just sent a message with a verification code to your telephone number, so you just have to check your phone. You see the code, you input the code here. You see a G hyphen the code. We just need the code, so you just input the 6-digit code and then you click on the next button. So if it works, you get another screen telling you that it worked. Turn on two-step verification. You just click on yes or turn on, and that's all. Now we have added an extra layer of security to your email account. So anytime you sign in with a new device, after you enter your password, a unique verification code will be sent to your phone. You then key in the code before you can access your account. One good thing about this is, even if someone else gets your password, it won't be enough to sign in with your account, since the person will also need the unique verification code that was sent to your phone. I hope you find this video tutorial useful. Thank you for your time and please don't forget to subscribe.